last week ne ke etsa lekker Vrydag, but ne ke etsa kerekeng kwana ka Friday last week ne, and then so I get a lekker Vrydag. Actually my aim ha ne ke etsa lekker Vrydag kerekeng ne ke re ke lo etsa lekker Vrydag kerekeng so that ke le bontshe di ke lo bontsha di ke le bontshe ntho tsa di demonstration ke dintho tsa ka tsa go tloga gale guys wa bona. So last week ne ke etsa lekker Vrydag kerekeng, but my intention ya ka o lo letsa lekker Vrydag kerekeng it was because ne ke batla go le bontsha hore di demonstration ke dintho tsa ka tsa gale tsa o tina Messi tala ndingebiloko tala ndingebiloko wa bona tala ke tina eng ke demonstrate ka di lipstick eng it's just that pula ilana guys, pula ilana, and then mphoba ro khata video, and then video ke disappear wa bona le sofa ya China no vua dile sofa ya China dimakato sorry my beautiful, thank you, I mean sorry. So guys so ne ke re letsa lekker Vrydag kerekeng because ne ke batla le bontsha demonstration ke ntho tsaka ho etsetsa eng, ho etsetsa hore next time ha ke ka demonstrate something and then kanka mose kanka lipstick kanka eng, please guys le skela na hore o khutletse morao November o ile hape so be qalela hape le lo fast skela lo faster this time. If le ke la mpona ke demonstrate something, I'm a man of demonstration, maobane last week ne ke bontsha batho ka cigarette hore ka ra ke reka ka hona le cigarette, when ke bua ka cigarette ke a demonstrate ka so condom mo dine di le teng ke ne ke bontsha batho ka di condom hore they are there in the church. Ke na le di condom ka ra ke na le di thipa, ke na le di hamore, ke na le di bolo, ke na le everything what I mentioned, they are all there. So the reason why neki ilekere last week I wanted to demonstrate demonstration the other thing ya di last ke ne ke le bontsha hore ona le di short video tse ne ke di kentse ke batla go bontsha batho hore ka bo 8 years ago 10 years ago ne ke tina Messi ha ke ya di conference tsa bomme ene ra ke ya di conference tsa bomme ne ke tina Messi be nne bilokwe, and then ke demonstrate. So guys ke etsa hore next time if le ke la mpona ke demonstrate ka something, please let's get like personal kanete sunshine are ne ba sa shebella akere oba onole kereke hey eno bua nnete ya kereke yona batho ba ile ba hlaba tsa interest a ya kereke ile batho ba ile ba lose interest guys, but thank you so much guys ke tlo bua ka sex again, ntse ke tswela pele bua ka sex, topic ya sex ke tlo itlwela hona jwana. Even if nganyala, I'm not going to lift about topic ya sex ke tlo ruta ka sex. I want to be a pastor out buang ka sex. That is my dream. One of my dream ke batla ba moruti ya rutang ka sex hara dintho tsohle ke batla ruta ka sex guys, fail ke batla ruta ka sex hle mantja diablo mana ke ruta ka sex ke tlo ruta ka sex la ke le moholo ke tsama le mosadi wa ka ke tsebe mosadi wa ka ba basadi ba ka I'm not sure, but o ksala gore ke tla ruta ka sex ke rute ka sex nna ba tlo ruta ka sex. You know why? You know guys, sex it's a serious problem. It's a very serious problem. Tabaya sex it's a very serious problem. To an extent, how wona ikhula le batho ba yetsang go ikhula le banna le basadi we discuss. Yo, sex ikhula le batho yo helona. Sex ikhula yo isa nabantu abayenzayo. Ikhula banna le basadi ikhula banna le basadi they can't discuss about sex because it total abakwas. And I understand why but wasa khonuba why but wasa khonuba ka sex because how bua ka sex u fihla o re motho baby ke kopa o nje so baby kopa hle re jane so yo a ka re baby ko parejane so motho o sheba ka morwa ditsebe a re o enka kae jale a ka re baby tle ke kgalle ka re ka jana so o mona motho o sheba ka leihlo la kaini o mtekjo bona motho o sheba ka leihlo la kaini go re mona re motho na wa ikweshena taba ha o enka kae taba ena ya sex. So it's a serious problem taba sex. I easy or the family di bua ka yona la bona batho ba yetsa la bona batho ba davazana everyday busiu ba davazana le no le de qeta davaza ba bang ha le chaisa le davazitse ke le bona le ka mahlo gore le davazitse le can I prophesy I see people who had davas I can go deeper. I see your eyes is China city of the eyes because you are weak. It's now have to you come now. You come now. Now you are weak. I can see. Lavana guys, but by verse 6, but by eta by bana. But coming to issue your sex, yes, sir. It's a problem with the couple did discuss. It's a serious problem. Now it's more than worse, Ngoko. It's more than worse when uketa ukopana le motho. Yes, sibila uketa ukopana. Yo. Yes. Hey. Rama sanse balum jolo. I said it's worse. We discuss. It was yo ukila bona uthetha ngenhliziyo ubuya ka pelo kana kwa sex lintsene eva sex wena ubututa nje uthoro Look at the couple. But badula together, munna. The service deliver of long distance of marriage. Abakwazi no call. Next, but abakonu discuss sex. Iba shuti ile khale banyala. So you can imagine, guys. Uketa kopana le motho le have sex. Utor yo. Mutena haputi ona le batho ba potang. Kana kwa sex. Yo commando. Now we put yo. Hey. And about about good sex. Hey man, Babesa Haman, can I really have sex? Baba Besa Haman, Baba Besa, how could mono yo? Mutino bees, man. What will be? I don't know my beats, man. Yo. Le shika hulu makuru, le shika funny. Follow Mutuazar, and Skuru babies, makuru. Le traumatize, makuru Mutuazar, sex every vurvai sex or. Follow Mutu. That is why John. I don't get out of Asana. Ki dismissal of immediately of effects of Nyameli. Cameron Davos is a dismissal of immediately of now Nyameli. You never told me, man. I never visited. You never talk about sex. Mo enakala bote motuna hana ruena o excited take it into side yetsang kan to traumatized. That is why Baba Mbalula I said look at telwa ba una thile a ngu fela ba nyametse even in Nigeria. lona man that is why ka nete rena le batho ba re ba diversing ha ngwe fela bo utlwa wa tseba o hloka le gore motho toute man o hloka le gore motho toute o le ka ra motho phezu ko motho o toute ko re toute o nahane ntho tse bohloko o nahane gore ho tsejwa wa tseba sometimes re na lulisa ke lona belnana re lliswa ke lona kanti no ke decide gore ke mpe ke nahana tsa bophelo ba ka o tshwana re ke ka hodimo dipheso ka go sana ke ka hodimo ha o mara ke nana tsa bophelo ba ka ntate tholo re a ke na choice tshwantse mpe ke nana tsa bophelo ba ka and ke be qeteletse ke lla wena o nahana re ke liswa ke lepona la hao kante ke liswa ke mathata a ka dikhaliswa zingxaki zam sana wa ke liswa ke dingxaki tsa so sex is a serious problem. And that is why, and I understand why sex is the problem, because we don't have people who teach about sex. We don't have those people. Number two, we have but between the sex therapy, but we don't know where are those people, because about your social media, about market, needs, we don't know where now. We have a sex the way we are right. We have the way we are right. Maybe you know it's right, and that is why now to long a problem. To an extent, guys, on our job, Reshapaki and Zayat. I'll couple a limit, Lejola, first day, I will couple. Unali appointment ya mutu bata utojana sernali anxiety ukila halali appointment ya mutu likala loko pala likala lo have sex ubetwa ki anxiety ubetwa ki anxiety no ibe kiloko pala le moki ate You know what is painful, guys? Sex, it's something improving every day. Marry, improve every day. Hoba tuba kalango kopan. Marba tuba nyetwe. Most of them sex I wanna improve. Instead, tewa yona. Depreciate. Ukadile mancha, ukadile. So guys, sex batu banyalane, batu ba sex banyalane, sex abona drop hawo. But ntwe betsa ekwele betsang abantu abaninja basemishato. Ntwe ekwele betsang. Lelo na batu bakara bantse ba batla di partner. Ntwe ekwele betsang. Kiur, hona la batho ba nkang sex very important. Bona sex is very important. Ibile ba yetsa di effort. Hona la batho ba yetsa di sex effort. Ba yetsa sex effort. Now here's the thing, guys. Nteke ba tlo le jwetsa yona ke ene ya hore. Baba mbalona o qetetse o le monate. Kanti ha o tsebore ho sona le batho ba improving sexual. Ba improving sex ya bona ba improving sex ya bona. Ba improvise di kuku tsa bona hona le ba se ba improvise di kuku tsa bona ha bohloko ba o di kuku tsa bona di improve le ka and gore ba sebetsana le di kuku tsa bona gore sex ya bona improve ka tsela makatsang. Now the problem ke ena ya hore hona le batho ba inkang ba a gore ke tshebele tumelo ya na tumelo ke mo tseba ena ba tla ke tlomo ke motse ke tumelo tumelo mo happy ke motse o tla kena a qete ba tlo commenta negative ke motse ene ke ba tlo bodara ka lona hle go tumela nna ke sa ba tlo bodara ka lona ke a mo tseba ke tumi wa ka yo o tla kena wa bona le yena o tla kena a ba ko a ke a mo tseba ke tumi wa ka mara ke se batla o ipodala ka lona ntho e ke batlang le bontsha ke gore wa bona hona le batho ba improvisang di-sex tsa bona manyalong a motho ba sa nyalwa ba bang hona le basadi ba sa nyalwang mar ba dilanang le improvisa di-sex tsa bona but they are not married. You know why ba improvisa di-sex tsa bona kore ba etsetsa gore if a ka thola monna wa hao a mo fe the good sex forever. Guys, hona le basadi ba sa nyalwang and ba improvisang dikuku tsa bona ba etsa di research ba researcha ka sex ba researcha ka dikuku tsa bona. And you know why ba etsa jwa? They make sure that when a thola ba etsa gore ha ba thola banna ba lona ba batla gore kore ba fe banna ba lona the best kuku forever. Hona le batho ba improvisang dikuku tsa bona ka sego ba etsang sure gore when aka thola monna wa hao a monke hona le batho ba nkang sex and lona ba ka ramanyalo le relaxitse nja le nke sex serious a le discuss le tsaba discuss le etsa ha le qetile le lebetso rona le batho ba improvisang di sex tsa bona ka ntle ka mona. And the reason why ba improvisa dikuku tsa bona ba etsetsa hore once aka thola monna wa hao I'm fed the best to kuku forever in South Africa and it's fapana and guys the same way luruna banna hona le banna ba improvisang di penis tsa bona hona le banna ba improvisang di penis tsa bona to an extent. Recently ne ke mametse batho ba bang ba qoqa ba re hona le this banna ba bangata ba kenya di beats ntato mokene ke bone ne trend mo hore banna ba bangata ba kenya di beats dintho di penis tsa bona ba kenya di beats so that la di bona di condom tsa dintho ke di rough rider kapa ke di tsenang le dintho ne tsenang le nyana so hona le banna ba etsa jalo ba kenya di ntho di penis tsa bona ke ne ke bone this guy a bua ho ntho go Scotland hore ba kenya di beats di kwaeng tsa bona hona le banna ba improvisang di kwaeng tsa bona ya bobedi hona le banna ba jimisang di mazele tsa di kwaeng tsa bona le nna ke wela mole we jimisa hona le banna ba jimisa ba etsa hore ntho ba bene ntho di akitse ba bitsa blood flow ya bona e tsamaya hantle kore penis because agree penis e sebetsa e thusa ke blood flow ya teng the way madi a flow ka teng or e eme ha monate e tie hona le batho ba banka ndikuku banka dikwae tsa bona serious now wena untate o dutse mona o relaxitse ka kwae e papu yes hona le bana ba busy o butuaka hona le bana ba busy ba sebetsang le dikwae tsa bona hore eme ngwana go gae eme ka letsitse kwa wena o busy mona untate o relaxitse and then o lebetse hore hona le bana ba improvisang ba jimisa dikwae tsa bona lona le tsebe dikwae di a jimisa yo anias ya jimisiwa bona go gae ya jimisiwa ai jimisa wala to bua ka to dula ka kwae papu mo dula ka kwae papu yo the Oka kwaye papu mo e papu kwai e papu kwai o ngwana go khae ya jimiso so guys now yey the thing about the topic in yaka today guys we need to teach sex. We need to teach. And you know why let's get into sex? Or you know why ke nagana gore I'm the relevant person who ke bua ka sex ka tsatsi le leng mohlang nka tholang mohlang se ke nyetse because no se ke tshaba imit mane mohlang se ke nyetse no so mohlang se ke nyetse ne a ke la tswa re lebona yetsa lebona bua ka taba ya una bua on behalf of basadi nna ke bua on behalf of banna hore one I know hore banna ba rata kuku tse jwang I know hore banna ba rata kuku tse jwang I know most of banna ke a tseba rata kuku tse jwang hona le banna ba rata dikuku tse metsi ha ile metsi ha monate banna ba bang ba rata then hona le banna ba rata nkuku e dry nyana hona le banna ba rata nkuku re ga tseba dia fapa but now it's very important to re ka dintho tsena so that re se ra faila manyalo a rona guys re se ra faila di partners tsa rona partner anto a cheated because of ali greedy anali last but as a cheated because wena umufila sexual because guys it is banna bantsa ba to cheata but it is not right to monna wa a cheat because wena umufila kapo wena o se good sexual so that is why nna ke decide le ngore tlo ke le route because ke a tseba ntho tsena di operate ka jwa guys ya o qetela before ke to bua something hona le batho ba robetse le bona once o roba le ena once o tlo you will never come back o ka se hlolo khutetse motho hona le batho o tlo bona sex is powerful hona le batho ba o reng how eta o thewa o dimae o tlo ha o batle mix o ka se hlolo khutetse motho nyana ke kwa hlolo khutetse motho to show that sex is powerful but hona le batho ba reng once o ka kopana le ena bo roba la once ngwana go gae ke mo lebe sotse it will be a molibe sotse guys hona le batho ba reng ha o qeta roba la ena it's forever you are going to utobatana le motho no non-stop uzofuna naye and ka bo madimabe ba bang ba batho bao o tlo thola re monna wa hao o robetse le motho ya jwalo o lele nomnto mnandi because ona le ba study bank and sex serious and ba yetsetsa di efforts guys now o thola hore when monna wa ka kopana le monna mosadi o monate o tlo mosokola wena monna wa hao o tlo sokola to have sex lwena o tlo dula have sex le motho yana because banna re batla dikuku tse monate most of us re batla kuku tse monate the same way le lona le batla di penis tse monate guys I'm telling you ke a tsaba le lona ba se di le batla penis tse monate but ke le jwetse sepiri ke le kopa le jwetsa nnete hore the same way le batla di penis tse monate le banna ba batla dikuku tse monate now here's the thing when monna wa hao a kopana le kuku e monate o fedile bona because ona le batho ba ka reng ha o ka robala le yena o tlo batla yena fela o tlo you want that person je o funa yena yedwa o tlo ke batla mosadiane go re o tlo batla now here's the thing ngile ka re holona ene ke a tsaba re batho a ngile hanyane ntho ngile ka ibua ka re when monna ka thola kuku e monate monna yana le tshente o investor kukung emunate banna ba bangata guys when monna ka thola kuku emunate monna o tlo investor kuku emunate tla o tla bana o tlo yetsetsa o yetsetsa that lady everything o tlo mo betcha o tlo mo yetsetsa everything sometimes banna re etsa so if kina le mosadi ke example if kina le mosadi then be ke ba le nyatsi once nga realize hore nyatsi yaka sai chiki yaka emunate o feta mosadi waka you know ke tletsa because I cannot leave my wife. That is the third party. Banna re yetsa. I get to gona o tlela mosadi waka. But what I do I'm going to protect that woman. Yam panku ke mnature ke se ka muluse. That is why banna ba lona aka betcha nyatsi I betcha o feta wena. Why I betcha nyatsi? It is because o se chora kuku ya nore mosadi ya nyatsi ya aska lo fana ka kuku ya hae. Lily boyfriend once your boyfriend can have a nice vagina aja musadi ya munate auka musadi e monsamwe ale munate o feta wena ke kopa le jeta netball banna ba etsa he will make sure that you protect that woman he will make sure that you tlo fa musadi ya ni chelete o tlo fa mosadi and tšhelete o tlo mo etsetsa everything. Sometimes o tlo mo etsetsa everything lo feta wena. Why? Because he's trying to protect that woman. And ke a tseba a le understanding tšone. Kopa ke di thusa. Kopa ke di thusa. When banna re so when ke thola motho a monate feta mosadi wa ka, ke example, if ke thola motho a monate feta mosadi wa ka, but now because ke tlo tshaba hore ke tlo mo lose mosadi ya, you know ke tlo etsa, if ke na le side chick e monate feta mosadi wa ka, ke tlo etsa, because I know I can lose that side chick ya ka. So the only way is to protect that side chick. Ka hore ke mo bethe o feta mosadi wa ka. Hence ke itse abanye beno lona le dutse ka dikhati tsa di electricity, di side chick tsa banna ba lona ba dutse ka dikhati tsa banna ba lona. Di side chick tsa banna ba lona di dutse ka dikhati tsa di banka, di bank card tsa banna ba lona. Wena o dutse ka khati ya electricity le ya truwetse le ya wuluwetse. Le a di points. Le ditse ka dikhati tsa di points. Le ditse ka dikhati tsa ntho tsa di ntho Shoprite. Le ditse ka dikhati tsa di Shoprite. Di bitswang dikhati tsa ntho tsa di points tsa bo discount. It's got the clicks. I no. La discourage alone, and I am l'India more. I go for the trail. Hi. So, guys, one. What's my guys? Can you just? What's my trailer? Even if ki buile khan. Even if ki buile khan. Guys, sex is powerful. Hey. Guys, sex is powerful. Kitolo joto twinkile ka lujo sayo. Kitolo joto twinkile ka lujo sayo. Sex is powerful, guys. Sex is powerful to an extent. That is why Baba Baluna, there's utotolore. Only this person you know how out chitanka ye, kapa boyfriend that we chitanka ye. But haba honu twella. Luna, guys, sex is powerful. Guys, sex is powerful. Guys, sex is powerful to an extent. Some of you don't understand the matter. Why munna wahau kapa boyfriend down, kapa musadu kapa girlfriend down. Aha, now twella mutwe. Lipotsa ntwe normal. Why? motho wa ka hana o tloela motho ena ebile sometimes o mo botsa gore baby please plan why o sa tloele motho ena because we've been fighting re lwanela motho guys babang guys sex is powerful to an extent ha le bona banna ba lona ba sokola o tloela the side chick kuru bona you are fighting ulwana le monna wa hao ulwana le mosadi wa hao kapa ulwana le boyfriend down le lwanela motho o you want guys I'm telling you where there is a good sex hona le problem ya batho ba sokola go tloela ha ba tloela ne batho ba advance ba enjoyang ba connected sexually and ba abaqhana naye ba fihlelana ka sex and thank you Jesus abantu abanjalo abayekani that is why di putsa ngore ba bamba lona wa iputsa more why more motho wa ka hana o tloela this lady guys sex e binda batho le ha ba se ba batla go tloela ba re be bothata ba o tloela guys ke go bolo jotsa nnete I know some of you like put on more why partner rayaka e hana o tloela mama some of you don't even understand your matter why baba o tshwana your partner ha gone o tloela your ex ya hae ha gone baba o tshwana partner ra ha gone o tloela baby mama ha gone ho tswa ho baby mama hey sex is powerful and lona batho ba inkang hanyane le mpa le sa tsebe hore sex is powerful because ni thata kancinci hona le batho ba sa kgoneng ba arohane ba separate ba divorces mar section aba khona o tloela aba kwazi uyekana all together because of the way sex is powerful ka teng guys ke go ba re buennete ba kae batho ba re Dr November ke lwana le monnaka ke lwana le mosadi wa ka kapa ke lwana le boyfriend ya ka o ratana le baby mama kapa o ratana le mama and we've been fighting re lwanne ke batla gore a tloele motho ba tlonkile just abayekana abatlo tloela because sex is very powerful very powerful and that is why Satan sa batlo batho ba rutwe ka sex because Satan wa tseba gore sex is very powerful you know and monna wa hao akaba le hana le loyal when even if monna wa ona le loyal but immediately aka kopana le mosadi ya good section monna wa so hlola ba loyal a keke hlola ba loyal when never ke ka hlola now here's the thing ha re tweleng guys a re gotleleng tabeng ena hore number 1 ke tsa huluna discussant about sex nantso qa discussant about sex if lentsele ho hopola ke itseng you need to let us remember when we have sex tlolang o khefuzela tlolang ho hema jwale ka magans and tlolang ho etsa di efforts tsengata during nako ya sex tlolang ho etsa di efforts tsengata ka nako ya sex make sure okay to ke le rute ke etsa mara before ke fika mo ka nako ya sex tlolang ho hema le etsa mehlolo e mengata don't have sex for you ska etsa sex for wena ni phosa apho bantwana bam le senya mo le hema jwale ka ikare ho television active o thole le hema le etsa mehlolo don't have sex ska etsa wena sex it's not about you if we etsa sex for wena ba bangata ba batla go etsa di sex for bona o tsuba ba etsa ba masturbate if ba masturbate but I'm not saying masturbation is good no masturbation is totally wrong but if you want to have sex for you then but ba batla go enjoy sex for bona ke bana ba masturbate if ole monna o masturbate then o etsa wena when ole mosadi masturbate you are doing that for you but kama ko yo nna lwena re jana you need to know that kana ko ya sex a o etsetse wena na re exchange monate ke dijetse ntho le kare re exchange monate nna ko fa monate wa ka nna ke le ka godimo hao. That is why banna ba bangata nthe etsa gore ba khame ka speed, most of them ba etsetsa bona. Banna ba bangata one of the things etsa gore ba rote ka speed kana go tsene go re ba etsetsa bona. Once a qeta o tla monate fela a ikene a utla monate fela yana wa rota because o etsetsa yena. The only time when we have sex or rutiswa ko bana fela you are doing this thing for you. Now highly jwalo o tshwantse le etse so. Number 1, if mosadi wa a rata sex, you need to know that okay, mosadi wa ka rata sex. Now the only thing ke tlo yetsa ke tlo rutisa mosadi wa ka, ke tlo etsa mosadi wa ka khame, ke tlo khamisa mosadi wa ka. I need to make sure that ke khamisa mosadi wa ka. And always, especially when your partner ile ena suggestile taba sex ke kopa baby tlo mpa sex, you need to know ka nako yo le tlo have sex le exchange minute. Na ha ke le ka godimo ha ke tshwantse go tletse wena o tlo monate, penis ya ka o tshwantse e utlwise wena monate, le wena kuku ya hao o tshwantse e utlwise nna monate. That is why ke itse ngolona sex ba tla le communicate, re itse hona le sex talk kana go yo le jana ka teng, hona le sex talk before le tlo have sex or baby fanda ke khalla re tlo jana so. Now baby wa mo botsa ene ga se skela tshaba man, ke le kupa skela tshaba ska tshaba o botsa motho wa hao, especially monna hao baby fanda ha o khalla hore ke tlo o fa jwang, o khalla jwang, o khalla hore today o khalla hore ke ko fe jwang. Wa tsaba o yetsetsa o tlo mo fa ho latella tsela yeo a ratang. Hi guys, you guys are mohlala when it's like sex, it's a meal ke dijo kapa dijo ke meal bana di sex ke dijo kapa meal ke it's a food ke dijo. Yeah, sex ke dijo. Now when you cook the same way o phela monna wa hao o mo phela dijo tseo a di ratang. When you cook for your husband, you cook a meal o tsebang gore monna ka wa e rata, and you know gore monna wa hao o rata chicken spicy tsweng so. Now it's very important to kana go tse di le bue le communicate during the day hore le hle bue ka yona baby o rata sex jwang. I mean motho ka today batla tlo fa jwang. It's very important to le bue baby fanda go batla tlo fa jwang. O yetse time o tlo mo fa ho latela tsela yeo yena batlang ka teng, tsela yeo wena o utlwa monate ka teng, e seng tsela yeo wena o utlwa. Le lona bontate, you need to ask your partner baby today o batla ke o je jwang motho go batla fanda ke tlo ja jwang motho ka baby tell me fanda go batla ke tlo ja jwang. Then I'll blele. Now o tla le ready, you know hore ha ke moja so ke utlisa yena monate. When ke moja ka tsele so ka mantso mang ke utlisa mosadi wa ka monate, ke mo utlisa monate le yena. When I have sex ka tsela so what about utlisa wena monate. So we need to, that is why we need to discuss taba sex before re etsa. Lelo na batho ba thotse di partner. When you have a partner, discuss taba sex. Skela tsaba o discuss ka taba sex. No yika botata ba lona le batho iketsa manyolo kana go tsene ya tseba re ntse le tlo hlobola le a tseba ntse le tlo have sex mara le qetile ha le tshwantse le discuss le a tsaba le na le hlong. And kantika na go tsedi, it's very important le discuss le before le tlo jana. You know why? Because if le qoqa baby 10 kana o rata sex jwa nna ke yetsa ntho nna ke yetsa hle a inde yetsa nna ke yetsa re so jole re so robalang. If na lona re dumelang mohlomong we are dating and then ke tsaba rona lona re tlo jana, and then I once ke jwala lona fela ke feel okay now ke choose this person ke discuss about sex zisuka ke discuss about sex or baby njwetseng wena motarata sex jwa one o rata sex a long distance kapa o rata shortcut of the magical tools because hona le batho ba ratang sex e telele, hona le batho ba ratang majukaduze of the sex. That is number one. Le tshwantse ni discuss it qala. Le so tshwarane, because you come only prepared to go for mutuna sex the way I batla. Le ena tlo kopana le wena le prepared. Come on, le kopana le jo le prepared. Both of you le kopana le prepared. Come on, ke tla ho wena ke le prepared to tlo fa ka tsela yo o batlang ka teng. Le wena you come only prepared to tlo mpa ka tsela yo ke batlang ka teng. So number one, le tshwantse le discuss about sex. Two, le discuss le ha le nyalane bontate le bommelona ba nyalane discussing sex emini qoqang le ntse bo motshiare ngokolang phonela baby today o galla re ke tlo o ja jwang mosadi wa ka today o galla re ke tlo o ja jwang dizokutyanza qoqang. And please, when we go to that sex, skela ibua the way kibanga tenga and dizopanja skela ibua jwang ibue ka language e tlo tlisa molaetsa mona. When you discuss, while you discuss a sex, discussing sex ka tsela e nyolang appetite skela bua ka dikobo. Yes. Baby dikobo fanda ka tlo batla dikobo tse jwang o batla tlo fa dikobo. Ai lola le ndia moya hle yo ai le ndwiso mo be batla tlo fa dikobo tse jwang yo motho tla le dikobo tsa roba o sa kusela ne go bozola o no tlo mmotsa hore o batla tlo fa dikobo tse jwang tsa tsime o funa o batla tlo fa jwang it discussing. You know why le tshwantse le discuss ka language ya lona. There is nothing wrong how le discuss ka language ya lona. You know why? One, when we discuss a Paulina, when we discuss a sex so that you create an appetite on. Then make it create an appetite when. Number two, when we discuss a sex during the day, go to baby, fandaka to jana, uka muta, kitoja, baby kito kota, uka fanda, kito kure, kito palen sorella guys, kito very practical. Kito very practical, kito practical because kiruta bontate, libo member. I'm going to be very practical. Then when libua kataba sex, le discuss, le send the message the private in salon. When kibwa wanaka phone, rebua, baby to jana, baby bata boje jom fanda. And then onje tor baby kibata onje solo lena ko bote baby wena to bata boje lena ko blelero kito ja solo then halibu iwonto dukubo ai difuni ngubo lona skela tsama bo ntse le bua ka dikubo o tla bona mothaitsa tse o ntse o bua ka dikubo motabare ke akhe skela this le nna le a tseba You know why sex ya mjolo nyele monate. You know why sex ya mjolo nyele monate. Ki le jese. Lona, agre lona, li bua bodi kubo ki batla dikubo motho wa ka. Mama va inviter di party, ki batla di party. Mata di party, mututa tela lukubeti. Lola, li babo di party. Lola li babo di kubo. Che ku parlezza tovalano ma. Yes. Yo, ai lola l'india moya. Ne ke ku pa tovalano. Like you go back to that Tovalano man. I protect my I suka. Ben telling you bongo scars, my post. Ben telling you bongo scars. Ben telling you. ne ke kopa re tletsa motabo ne ke kopa re tletsa motabo sex, you know now why ke sa tsabu bua ka sex. Number one, sex ka yona is unclean. Sex is not something clean. And if you want to approach taba sex ka clean, you will never bring appetite. Sex in yalona le cake. Sex batla batho ba kore ba sa buing ka respect, ba sa communicating ka taba ka respect. When le ba ka taba ya sex luna if ubu luna ntwele shapam le batla bua ka sex kore ka tsela ye bu clean ke batla motabo mohatsaka yi man pasa singaba depressed if you go para le motaring baby ko para re tletsa motabo yo yes yo nka o lahla ka WhatsApp ntse tsa re tletsa motabo yo nka o lahla ka WhatsApp bo go ai wife said yo I discouraged how bua ka motabo o kare mametsi ditaba ho bua ka ntho empe motabo ai go so ke kopa ke di thuse guys because ke batla re kwa when re bua ka sex we need to understand that we can't clean. It's not clean taba sex. 2 sex ka bona e di hlong when le hlobola e di hlong just to o hlobola nje o khulula o di hlong just to hlobola fela ke ntho di hlong sex e di hlong. Now but when really partner nna o le partner ya ka di hlong re something di bella ka thoko ha re ba ka taba sex because if re ka rabata o approach sex ka tsela eo e leng ka teng we are not going to enjoy sex. If re ka batla approach sex the way e leng ka teng the way e leng di hlong inentlo o bua ka sex e di hlong just lo have sex kunentlone I think to easy taba sex. That is why it isn't easy to work on. That is why abantu abaningi bengakwazi ukuthetha ngayo because into enenhloni lento but it doesn't right or dihlontseno disebetse le hulona batho ba nyalane kapa ba ka radi relationship. It is not right or le sebetse ka dihlong le nyalane. It is not right. Now ke batla o tla ntshenya na one le bua maybe near 30 min le bua ka taba sex when a partner le tshwantse le bua ka language send that message from the private interlo like na when we bua ka English baby we are going to have fun, we are going to fuck each other. I keep that message you are fuck it doesn't I keep feeling to him. I keep feeling that fuck I keep feeling to him kapa we are going to have sex I keep feeling to him but how can bua ka Sesotho hey Sesotho yo Sesotho man Sesotho yo Sesotho Sesotho man lona that's it so buanka language agree into lona le monna le mosadi guys buanka language is sending message yes sure Sesotho that is number one buanka language that bring a message for the private in salon. Bondat, ke tlo bua le lona ka how do you thusa jwang o train out the muscles tsa penis ya o jwang ke tlo le thusa ka ntho. Bontat ba bangata ke tlo le thusa. It's very important to train the muscles tsa penis ya. Penis ya o tshwantse e ska sokola o react. E ska sokola o yema. E yeme ha le bua ka motabo. Number 2, ke tlo le ruta ka hore o etsa jwang kwa ya hao ya trainua ina le di muscle kwae ina le ya trainua kwae ya trainua kwae ya trainua lona the same way dikuku di trainua le dikwae di trainua I train we train or sometimes I kene kara kuku etlale itwale phakathi kukweni itlale ibona khonda itlale hell and high kids let's get at and tsena tsana tsa batho ba batho tsa o kena le tsa mofirifiri le ikare le abolayana itlale ke tla le ruta ke tlo le ruta nna so ni fundisa ke tlo le ruta hore batho ba nkwatele ke tlo le ruta e tlale kwa e tshwantse e tlale ka nako tse ding e tlale ka ramkoti mane twale tlale and a le qetile ha e tletse ha le etse sex ya abuse of the world of the WW SmackDown. Let's sex about WW SmackDown. Let's into WW SmackDown. Yo, Luna. Ya chepua ya punuka. Iki WW SmackDown of the sex. Sex back into the jwalo. Ke tlo le train about that. Ke tlo le jwetsa hore how to ke WW SmackDown. Ha re tla go WW Raw of the kill me softly of the e ka re ne halwa ha e tletse ka ke tlo le ruta. And now how it gets how to move how to usukumanje iqale ithule mabote man iqale mabondeni iqale maboteng yes utshantse ithasha mabote then how qetile how yetsi ntetsabo into Undertaker bo Smack bo Randy Orton bo Caesar kick move anyane fela or move fela ntlo move fela or yo ta Saka Zulu jale re tla ka yona ke aka mo ke tlo qetela ka yona ye ke tlo qetela ka yona ye Uta Paulina ore aro pula monna wa hae wa itlatsa. That's it. That is why sometimes kana ko yo o tlo have sex le mosadi wa sometimes not all the time kana ko tlo have sex le mosadi wa o etsa ntho ke tla bonta te ka ke le ruta yona hore e tlale ka rakuku ya e tlale yes al qetile be le bua ka yona re baby wa uka itletse kara kuku haro khutlele morao. Oh, Shaka Zulu. No. And Eliana outjwetse, baby. Fandaga kwa ya hao etletse. Kala kuku yaka. And lona lentina o tla bo mo botsa ya jwa le fandaga kenyeletse. Ha lona mar. Oh, lona lentina hampi. Yo, lona le Oh, la lantina. Oh, la lantina. O tla bo botsa motho a fanda ga kenyeletseng ya tse. Hle motho mbing o yentse. Bua. Dintho tsena re di botse tseo. Se butse se zinto. Batho ba batsho, bantu abamnyama. Tloela go accusana ka nako ya sex. Yo, lona. Tloela go accusana ka nako ya sex. Ke batla go tlela ntho nyena akere. Do you know that monarchy from experience? Do you know that why sex setsa njolo ndile monate? Do you know that sex setsa njolo re a discuss? Akere when ke na le side chick, if side chick ka eng o putse e batla sex, o tlo mfounela, o tlo njwetsa baby, I miss you today, ke go potlo nja motho wa ka. You get my point? That is why sex setsa njolo tsa bofebe ndile monate. Because these cars are on baby. Today ke go potlo nja hle motho wa ka, I miss you. Hey baby monna fanda ga ke na le mabaka tshwantse ke tse baby ko pa fela o fete hlotlo nkota ka speed ke o tlo nja ka speed tsamaya. Ka automatic when motho baby fanda go potlo nja ka speed. A baby ke tlo fete fela la o tswa mosebetsing tlo fete fela o tlo nja ka speed tsamaya. Automatically. Ha ke ya ho yena ke ya kelelwa ka le penis ya ka se di le ready. Hence the sex sets a motjolong tsa bofebe di tlo ba monate feta tsa lona ba ka ramanyalo. Because lona ha le tsebe o blelana during the day motho ba answer driver o blele baby I'm on my way. And nthotsene re di etsa motjolong re a blelana baby fana go potlo nja hle motho ka tuo ha nna ko hopotse baby you know re na le 2 days re sa kopana so I miss you baby ko pa fela tlo nja fela motho ka then o tsamaya. Then I will let you know my phone baby. I'm on my way since ke letsile. O motla go blela baby since ke tsola hle. Baby ke tsotse hle. Baby since ke le honi That is why sex ya mofebeng e tlo ba monate o feta sex tsena tsa lona tse ka reng ke di beko tsa ntho. Kuku tsa lona ka re ke di beko tse sa dubua tse sa tholang east tsa lona. Lona sex tsa lona tsa manyalo di borra because a di bui. Le have anitating mix anitate ali bui mix o tlo mo e ka re ke rape ka ramanyalo ka re le rape o tlo mothasa le ka odima ha o vumtitse phezu kwakho o tlo mothasa hema odima ha sa wa hateletse a sa o imetse ha o bula mahlo motho sa o imetse vula hle motho ha o bula mahlo motho sa o imetse motho sa hema odima se perfume bula sex tsa manyalo ha hona mohlandi tlo ban right because what we supposed to do ka manyalo a rona re etsa bofebe re a discuss or baby I'm coming I'm going to re tlo jana motho ka ke tsileng ke tlo ja ka speed le mosiar I met one of my friend ka tsatsile somewhere Mograche. That guy a sweatile a sweatile ke a tseya ke re wena ke blela this guy re moseto kwa bofebe enona le mosadi this guy ke re moseto kwa bofebe ke re tswa kukwe a tseya a re move ga bana le nna hlemna ke re tswa kukwe and I know that guy is working ka motho that guy o tswile mosebetsing wa hae. The guy drove a side chicken ya hae ba don't have sex because ka nna ba buile or baby ko khaletse today. Runa ka ramanyalo, we don't do that. We don't communicate ka taba sex. Even if we don't bring that appetite, we don't bring that thing. Or mutafilo or whatever fandak kaneti mutaka ko no, we don't do that. Arietsu all together. Uta mutasa ukarani fero mtu se kabele. And sex ya prepare, sex batla li prepare sex batla bof sex batla li prepare la ne lunsi ngondo zeli. Sex batla li lukse dikelelo tsa bona. Ke go polo jotsa ka I'm about to close. Donc sex batla li prepare la ne. So ya bu febeng le a discuss le gona bua baby ke atla mkame ke tseleng baby. Hlobula pentihle. Baby hlobula penti sentse ke le tseleng. Baby ke tlo ikeng. Baby ke tlo kota already how fisherman le tlo enjoy ya sex ya lona ha monate ka tsele khotse because le prepare. But muchato manyalo aruna, we don't do that. Next. And that is why le halinyala na batho ba nyala menga ke tsibiletse jwang watso because na ke tseba batho ba nyala ne ditsa jwang and ba bang ba lona le nka di lunch tsa di 1 hour o nkile lunch na ke tsibiletse jwang batho ba nyala ne 1 hour only lunch bana ba bang ba lona you can go to uye hahao kapo ye ntong uye mosebetsi o lo lata mosadi wa if mosadi wa hona le koloi mosadi wa a drive a tlentlong le fika le jane le bue le discuss sex is very important. We discuss sex bo motsiare le qoqe ka yona baby ga le tsotlosha. So coming to the issue ya ntong ya ne ke buile ka yona. One, we need to understand when kana go rejana ki the biggest thing ko harejana ke tshwantse go fe monate wa ka le wena mphe monate wa. That one guys ke kopa le mamele because re tlokwa that one yona ke kopa le mamele. Hence nna ke tsa so nna I can take my time ke ufa monate, especially when kids about we rata so I will take my time ke ufa. I don't concentrate to honna ke focus away ke ubetsa ka ditsela tsohle because it's all about you. Kana kwa ya re have sex re le monna le mosadi kana kwa yo nna tshwantse ke utlwisa wena monate le wena o utlwisa nna monate. So ya pele o tshwantse o utlwise motho wa monate, motho wa o tshwantse o utlwe monate. Then haiba motho wa hao o khaba hangata, make sure that o mokhamisa as much you can. Wa mokhamisa o mokhamise bana una le batho ba khamang hangata, especially basadi bona ba una le basadi ba khamang hangata 5 times 7 times 10 times. Una le basadi ba khamang 5 times 7 times 10 times ansa khama non stop. Then if una le mofuto jolo motho, you know hore for now you are not going to do a sex for you. Oto utlisa mutena monate. Then kana kwa yam because most of the time when we try to come we are done refeeding. Then how deal na I normally do that. Na ke have mutakata kama then jam you baby now it's my turn. Now if when as a partner what's about Lena Kamisha K. Now Lena, I'm expecting that to jolly because now Kibaka come. Now Kibaka will come now something is in 20 AK Baka, AK Rata, AK Bong, it won't Kamisa. So sex, it's all about Abayao exchange coming out. It's in 20 ever sex. What's more than ever sex as well? Never sex as well like you ship Parata di Kereke. Never sex, you worship Paratari Kereke. Worship Paratari Kereke, the other song. I have a dinner. But I'm about to read my kitchen, baby, not English. Oh, batho ba di worshipera tsa kereke ba worshipela bona o tla fola motho a kwetse mahlo e vala mehlo stiff ebile e jonge phezulu ke re ai nna di worshipera tsa ka ne ke di ruta ntho ke re when you are a worshiper, when even if o kwetse mahlo, but you don't worship for you alone, you are also worshiping for the church. So make sure that during your worship you need to consider together. When you worship, your worship must go together. But we seem to worship. So kana ko ya sex lona le have sex tse o tla thola hore ko ena fela o vala mehlo. You don't even check your partner mar motho a ka utlwa monate kapa jwang. You don't check that because lona le have the sex for lona. You are doing that for you. That is why o tla fala le kwetse mahlo ni vala mehlo ni le kwala mahlo stiff o fana motho a kwetse mahlo a tutubetse. You don't even check your partner mar nna le motho wa ka kentse ke mo fa monate na motho wa ka wa enjoy because when motho a enjoy o gona mona ka mahlo. Facial expression ya motho ya o jetsa motho a enjoy. Facial expression ya motho ya o jetsa motho a enjoy sex ya hao. So lona ba enjoy sex for lona le etsa le kwala mehlo ni vala mehlo ngati ni atandasa o fumane ka re le worship o tholo o ka re bina ha ke le ke le mobi ke o fumane ni timele ni vala mehlo ku fana o kwetse mahlo. It is not taba ya o kwala mahlo, but guys, you need to consider taba ya hore sex is not about you, it's about your partner. You make your partner happy ka sex le ena a o yetse happy. That is why o le bohlokwa when mosadi wa a ruta ngata a le motho a prefera go ruta ngata mo rutisa ngata before you come here. Connecta le motho wa. Look your partner mo shebe ka mahlo. Shaba motho ka mahlo. Even if o ka kwala mahlo sometimes no bunga vala mehlo sometimes, but sometimes bula mahlo shebe motho so that you must be able to check the response ya mahlo, facial expression ya this person o tla monate, and a facial expression ya motho o tla bohloko le motho o tla monate wa yo le reaction. Now na le na go when ke have sex, if nga utlwa ke gona utlwa motho ke gona bona motho utlwa bohloko, if penis ya ka ga ikenya deep be ke bona re motho na and nka apology ke gona apology ke sorry baby because ke gona bona if facial expression ya motho ya ndetsa gore motho na utlwa bohloko ha sa enjoy wa bona. Ya bobedi guys bondate skela have sex nje ngathani ngqondo ufumane le kwetse mahlo fela le ka udima basadi bang bondate. When you have sex, mamela kuku ya mosadi wa hao kapa ya partner hao. Kuku ya mosadi ya o jwetsa hai khathetse ha isa hlole batlanetse ikuku ya kelele kuku ha isa ga gotsi ya o jwetsa re kuku tlelang lona bontate ba ratang sex e telele, a long sex. Guys, you need to make sure that when your partner asantsa le sharp, and one akar o sharp maybe when o ntse ba tla o tswela pele, and then gona mo jetsa obin gona mo tla this person o ba dry. No, once about dry ska na tswela pele have batla a way ya mo tsoseletsa gore o gotlisetse takatso ya yo a feel gore a be hone happy, because most ya bana ba bangata so langa wena o ntse o have sex you forget or marmuto yena o sale dry and o muta or muto na sale, and once akaba dry you need to know that that's enjoy sex. When musadi akaba dry you need to know that musadi has enjoy sex, asa batla sex kapa o sharp o right. Once akaba dry you need to know that babang when ali dry ska have sex unto batla away ya mo gotlisetsa ora if o batla if le batla gore le nne le tswele pele ka sex lona le enjoy yo ya pele ska mo pusha ska mo foster motho le o sontse mo tloro mar motho na dry. At least have a way ya mo gotlisetsa gore o qeteletse a sa gotletse gore a qeteletse etsa jwa a enjoy ya sex ya hao. Now lona basadi ke a kwala jwang tloelang dikuku tsa lona di be excited tloelang dikuku di be excited tloelang dikuku tsa lona di be excited ho na nako kuku bang excited to an extent e be qeteletse se bohla e bohle ngwane se bohle I know ho na le ka tsatsi le le monkileng kare dikuku di la ditlabore guys that one it was just a joke ene ke etsa but there is nothing wrong with kuku ya hao e be excited kuku tse ding ha di le excited di a bohla fela tse ding di tla be di utlo e kare ho na le moya o tswang there is nothing wrong nothing ke re ho lona guys sex high clean tloelang ho have sex e kare le batla ho ba clean sex high clean kuku e ba excited for yo yes sex kuku ba excited it's just that lona le sokopane kuku tse ba excited a le sokopane dikuku tse ba excited rona bo November re di tseba turubetse tsa khale rona re di turubetse tsa khale rona khale kore e bohle kore e utlo re yo kuku ena e thabile e tsile out of order the way leng happy ka teng kore e be out of order ile bo brhla kore e be excited yeah there is nothing wrong because that time you don't have a control with the excited. Let us enjoy the sex without an apology, guys. Enjoy your marriage because rinyalana for sex. So let us enjoy our sex to the fullest without the song when we have sex. Let us forget kadikong. Let us enjoy. Uta mutari yo kuku ya ka yapi yo kuku ya ka hleyetsa e tloelle maisuze man hai phinye because le nna ke na lo phinya nna dia suza nna ke khale ke le jetse ke nna ya kre ke a phinya dia suza nna ke a phinya ene ke na nako tlo tsipa di bonu mo ke ne ke etse tsipa ha ke na nako e na ke a phinya hle yo dia suza hle e bile teng ha ke khama ke phinya re kutle re le nna mona ke out of order di bolo tsa ka di ba out of order nna ke thabile nna tsa ka di ba out of order I didn't control kwa and again I don't go tisa di bolo mo e be ke tsipile even se ke ntse tsipa soka ai nana go tsipa mona ai we are enjoying uswaka dia suza au phinywe manna makusuze ari phinye makusuze awuzuki tsipa ya imo makusuze no judgmental no judge mono we are there to have fun no judgmental kana ka sex no judgmental bana ba go gai tloela mo judgana tloela ho judgana le tlo etsa hore le tlo itima utlwa monate le zo zvimba le tlo itima monate ha di phinye man ha iphinye and ha iphinya mo jwetse baby I like the sound baby ke rata sound here. Yeah, you make the person comfortable. You make a rabbit. Oh, baby, I love that sound. Yo, baby, I love that sound. I like that sound. Baby, wow, I love the sound. Baby, I love the sound. Honey pinya, man. Honey pinya, frupa. Dikwele, mansuze. Honey pinya. We are there to have fun. Isum to judge of the Judge Judy of Truth Commission of the. Why are you pinning? No, you cannot ask somebody why is he pinning because the pinning is out of his control. It's pinning because there's a lot of excitement. There's a lot of Motabotsa rutwa to batlatsa ne o to ba ruta ne ngwe itlatsa a ke tla ba ruta a tshwantse tla yo kwa tshwantse tla le sometimes not every time but sometimes kwa tshwantse we sharp butwaka we train we jimise e biotsa che hey e bi Carol e bi we want to lie here my ihema iphefumule ihema yeah, no, you need to tell your partner I love the sound baby I love the sound wow baby munati there's a person in the rata qoqanele ya ha ene ra yetsa jwa ne ke mbutsitse are show baby yena he be se qadile ke baby tlwela ngwana mo ke ne ke mo jetse ke baby mo tlwele o thabile mo tlwele ke baby tlwela ngwana mo excited guys ke you need to remember as much when you are excited kuku le yona tshwantse be excited le kuku ba excited kuku tshwantse be excited there is nothing wrong kuku hailla nothing wrong. Example, yes, no, we teach them, train them, we clap, me. Yeah, guys. Scala vetra enigma renteri pusha leker Frida. So, through hell, through long we ever sex, daddy show. Through long we ever sex. My number is 073 202 9079. My number. My number is 073 202 9079. Tlohelang ho bua ka sex ka dihlong tlohelang ho bua ka dihlong le skela tsosa brother enigma hle motlwele ke gola phomotse mohlanka modimo motlweleng o phomotse solanga tsa robets are matinga isar matinga bitir qete solanga mo profeta modimo tsa robets ai are qeteleng ka isar qeteleng skela motsosa re kopa le family kapa mo robalante madulante ba motlwela phomole my big brother enigma ha phomole a robale rena re qetele ntho tsa rona jabulile a re mara pastor o bua nnete high ping no jabulile high ping you know people barata sex and what yet some teddy show and that is about both bank sex they will never enjoy sex as long linka sex ili is only le batla approach sex le batla have sex ka di show le kekela enjoy sex and always little frustrated about balon sex as into about di show sex about as long lika la hlapa la ba clean enjoy sex into important fela ko ba clean ala tsona lo bona body chocolate body khama bo mangaka ke tsona ntho tse turning off bo o tholo ro song khamangaka motho entse doki style chocolate ntho peanut butter kena mangaka ditsimona ntong a ditsimo motho tona mo entse doki style mangaka ditsimona musi wa mangaka musi ntso steam ntse se fu mahlambi a re brother Enigma sala le go le tla fihla go Skela tsamaya ntho important fela ke wa bona o bona how you do this style o sa hlapa ditone do this style ha o tlo ba tjena Dogi style ha e tlo ba tjena Sex very important. Very important. Ke o hlapa. Ha le ke langa di shower. Kapa la hlapa di ka di ba se komong tsa lona. La hlapa la ba clean. Tse ding di tlwele as long le clean. Le re le shapa body doki style le etsa eng be le clean. Le shapa di blow job be le clean. Too important ke bu clean. I'm done. Too important ke bu clean. That's all. The rest di tlweleng di kuku tse phinyang eng di tlweleng. Enjoying sex ka ramanyalo a lona to the fullest, guys. Di nyatsi tsa lona ha di sketsa le win, ha sketsa le di nyatsi tsa banna ba lona ha di sketsa le hlola ka sex. Let your side chick ya monna wa iska go hlola ka sex. Lo ena ntate side chick ya banna ba tsadi ba lona ba le femelang ba mosadi wa haska nyatsi ya monna wa ya mosadi wa iska go hlola di nyatsi ya sketsa go hlola ka sex. Ha sketsa go hlola di sex tsa di side chick a di sketsa ba mona to feta di sex tsa manyalo a rona. Enjoying clean up, very important fela go hlapa e tle re le kgone ba free then le enjoy sex tsa lona. That's all. But enjoying sex, protect your marriage, make sure that you give the best sex to your partner. Famuna wa sex mnat, famu sadu wa sex mnat. Make the person it's about about this person o tla hae we enjoy o tla o tlo enjoy sex ya mosadi. Because ona le basadi ba ka reng once aka thola monna wa hao o ka se hlolo thola monna wa hao. If una le basadi ba reng now na ifumana indoda yakho angeke uphinde uyifumane indoda yakho, you will never ka se hlolo thola monna wa hao. If una le basadi ba jwala ba reng the way ba le monate ka teng ke bana ba reng if aka thola monna wa hao o ka se hlolo thola monna wa hao wena. I'm telling you uzo phunyo ke indoda yakho e tlo matha ka mra batho ba ka mra mosadi ya. So make sure that you're wena ha hona mosadi ya tlo hlolang ka sex, because some of you already win. That is why this person I choose somewhere. If moto I choose wena if moto I choose wena only the rechte high, only rechte high, it means we are now win. The only thing, maintain that. That is the only thing. Maintain that thing. That's all. That is the only thing you're talking with, is to maintain. Because already usa choose wena, upila luena, lidula together later in, kapa uspenda na koluena, even if I lead you together, marwa rata udula kopa na luena waiting. It means usa choose wena. So make sure that you improve it. That's all. Guys, I think keep the deal. If una linto batang umputa yona, before we close, before we close, zero. Oh, thank you, Kim. Okay, you go check. You go find a number if you know put something, and then I'm done. I'm done. If you want to ask me something, I get to be number here, Nakimani. Go check if I can speak. Baba come on phone. So. Yo, come on now, phone in a camera. Guys, not to tell yo, not to tell Intuitively, whoever she will think him. Come on. Dr. November. Kia kwala guys kikupa fela. Nikibata baba kamfuni na kitibisha. Kibata le phone number before you call. Moba batlang ho mpotsa teng. Mbumugana number yake 076 man. Kima 061 503 46 ma 17 4617. Thank you. Guys, whoever batang put up to keep with 061 503 4617. 061 503 4617. If batang put up to Kiakwala, 061 and then okay. You can put if you can put you can comment if you can put WhatsApp. to the same number 061 503 4617 061 503 4617 come remember WhatsApp or else now I'm done now guys qetile boloka manyalo lona tlisang fan ka ramanyalo lona a DJ fancy obe monate le enjoy number ya ka ke 073 202 9079 engwe 073 202 9079 ke number ya ka yeno batho ba batlang number ya ka ba batlang go bua le I'm done guys thank you so much boloka manyalo a lona enjoyang manyalo a lona etsang gore o be monate manyalong a lona divorce is growing every day divorce e hola ka tsela yengwe e hlotseng every day we all see re a bona ka ofela rona divorce is e hola every day guys so please make sure that you don't fail your marriage because of also good sexual sex very powerful sex it's a powerful weapon that is why when monna ka enjoy sex ya nyatsi o fete ya hao o tlo spend nako ya hae nyatsi nya hae when a woman can spend I enjoy sex kapa a cheata motho enjoy sex ya kantle o tlo enjoy sex ya kantle o feta sex ya hao so let us not allow hore manyalo a runa a thuje good a fele ka baka la hore re fela di sex tsa di partner tsa rona I'm done guys thank you so much ntate modimo a le bless if una le potso o ka mpotsa ka comment kapa mogemo wa mfone na 061 503 come on 061 503 4617 why you are not connected I'm done good check it you'll never repent I negative repentance ya ka le batla e be jwang a nna sa di kena hletsana nna sa batla nkwa ke maikutlo folona nna sa batla aksana tabalelo because that doesn't mean I make repent and ka se ruti ka sex I will ke tlo ruta ka sex and like I said to sex e di show so how ruta ka yona automatically but ba bang ba tla ne ba o nke negative ba feel or you are not a born again child of God of the Messiah so I say ingela hong lona ba re no I get why but wala bana bana no repentile no ke repentile guys ke repentile thank you so much guys until we meet again okay take my mail voice note to care
like what is important about like
okay ke go pa ke tse ona le motsambo mele
Hey Moruti kentse ke mametse tlhe e shwatse bakeng like a Vrydag Moruti nare like what is important about modimo like mosadi tshwantse fela a be good in bed tsa go robereka kae ga di tshwenye Moruti or what do you think
Also, this question here is very powerful, very important. Banna ba khathalle or monna mosadi sebetsa ka. Hence, banna ba dula le banna ba dula le basadi ba ruteile. Banna ba dula le basadi ba ruteile. Mar ba ba sia ka matlong a bona ba batsa mabaya mekhukhu. As we speak, banna ba sile basadi ka ramatlo a matlo ba ba sile ka ra Woodland ba ba sile ka ra Joburg beautiful house ba ba sile abatsitile o ka ra one room because of a good sex o ka ra apartment in only one bedroom o sile o ka banna ba gona o hire gore motho a hire a room motho you know the way partner raka in pang partner raka pang kukwe monate ka teng ka pasa itshika ka aba mo hirele pleke aba re no ke ka batla le pleke mo lo dula teng. So it is not about go sebetsa kae on a qualification. If you are not good sexual, doesn't matter quality on a qualification it doesn't matter. Banna ba interested in training, ba interested in a good sex, le respect. That's all. We are only concerned into the two good sex and respect. That's all. Good sex and respect. That's all. Nothing else. You answered me. Ku arabile, thank you so much khatsidiaka. No banna ba khathalita ba gore o gutu lo kae ka I mean o mutla ka ka ke bana basadi ba batle mara bana banna bana le banna ba batle basadi ba batle mara bana banna because some of them ba batle fela bare sexually they are not good. So if you're not good as a woman a o khathalo mutla ka ka o na le body e jwang o na le di figure tse jwang if you're not good sexually re ntse re tlo sia the same way at least lona basadi le a compromise le gona dula le runa o gona dula le monna even if as a good sexually as long ana le chelet. But I know hona le basadi ba sa gone if you're not good as a man sexually le basadi ba banga ba gone hona le basadi ba sa gone total to commit themselves le monna sing good sexual. Sex is very powerful guys as much but ba inka hanyane but sex is very powerful because but ba bangata aba gone gore motho tla o jetsa right this person on and everything o nketsetsa ntho mo lengwe but sexually how good therefore I ke gone ho phela le ona le basadi ba sa gone o tla o jetsa ha ke gone ho phela le that man because can it sexually how good le runa re le banna hona le basadi ba sa gone o tholo right wa morata o motle but ai le pona la ile dizzy blind utlorang you cannot commit yourself le motho o motle o smart la o tsamaelena o smart but go thola hore but sexually she's not good and therefore to thola hore ha o tlo ba interested ke go bonga ba bedi ba go qetela 061 503 4617 061 503 4617. So guys it taba sex I wanna make young beauty la ka ba motle if kuka we limpi I re tlo utlwella o swaka re tlo utlwella le beauty eno ya. That is why some of you le batla marubo se ba re monna ha o tshita ka motho jwa kapa boyfriend ya o tshita ka go re ha mo se o ipotsa gore baby how can you tshite ka motho so it is not about beauty ke taba gore motho a lo tshwere eng o tshwere eng lona le ba frustrated I don't understand how can you tshita ka skatana so o ntshita ka skatana so ibile ngwanyana ha rutega le go rutega o ntshita le ka so se sa rutega a re bua ka marutega ka taba sex ka nako ya sex a re a una di qualification mo ha o matter di qualification. Number 2 ha o matter beauty ka nako ya sex ha o matter chelete next ha o matter chelete ha o matter qualification ha o matter chelete next o matter sex. So some of you can come to jo na monna ka ntshita ka skatana o itse ngwanyo ke skatana ibile se sa rutegang a kitse o moputswa ibile ngwanyana teo ka mona se le type ha go bereke type kana kwa sex a re sebetsa ka di type re sebetsa ka a good sex. That's all we need. A good sex re batla good sex lenyalo mo sebetsa good sex relationshiping o sebetsa good sex nothing else but about useless that is why una le basadi o tolo wena una le di qualification mara monna wa ha abaratana le neni del Namurute, I feel bad when I dump a guy when they become so dramatic, they even want to commit a suicide. But we cannot commit yourself lemutias in good sexual, because you know what is painful. But you know what is painful. If you commit yourself, if you believe so much that your sex, then we commit lemutias in good sexual. You are going to cheat at the end of the day. Auto cheat. When you commit yourself, that is why I've killed sex, because I'm avoiding the cheat. Because if we commit a good sexual, at the end of the day, cheat. When your partner is a good sexual, they are cheater. So that is why I keep back, guys. Improve sex alone. Guys, thank you so much. Pastor. Okay, I'll go next. Guys, that is my number 061 503 4617. In our WhatsApp 061 503 4617. The other number is 073 202 9079. 073 202 9079. Guys, thank you so much. Masihlanganeni next time. Thank you guys until we meet again. Bo nice. Poor performance in bed. Bo mubi. Banana fire. Stuff on seats. No one it also. Agree to a table labari. Banana lichelete. About good. Bye guys, see you next time.